Okay, so this is a screencast of how to make a basic PowerPoint. So first you're just going to pick a template that you want, and so we can just click on mesh. After you click on this, you can click on like the little layout or whatever, it really doesn't matter. So we'll just click on that, and then we're going to click on create. Okay, and so now we have our first slide. And so what I like to do to save time, I'll go and just do file and save as. So we can just save it into a spot, so we don't have to just end up saving it at the end of the PowerPoint. I just feel like this is easier. Okay, so now that it's saved, we're gonna start by making a title. And so the title of this can just really be anything. Okay, and so we have our first slide. Now, if you want to change the color of the font, like if you don't like the orange, you can change it to red. You can change the font style. Doesn't really matter too much. And then you can change the size over here. So if you want it bigger, you can go like this. Or if you want it smaller, you can come all the way to 10.5. So I think 72 would be a good one. Now when you want to add another slide, you're just going to come up here and click new slide, and then you're going to choose the layout that you want. So if you want like a header or a title on it, you can just click title only, and so then you have a second one. And so you can just keep doing this as many slides as you want for your PowerPoint. So now if you want to like insert a picture, I'm just going to go ahead and just change the layout so it can be a layout that has a picture in it. And so you can click by adding a picture right here, or you can go like this little thing right here that I highlighted, or you can go to insert and then click on pictures right here. I don't really know of any pictures that I have on here, but okay, we can just choose this one. Okay, so I just inserted that picture like that. If you wanted to make the picture bigger, you're just going to go over here to height in the right corner, and you're just going to press the arrow up button, and it's going to keep the same, it's not going to distort the picture, basically. So if you wanted to make it bigger, or if you wanted to make it smaller, you can do it however, like that. Okay, so if you wanted to add some kind of transition to your slide, you can just go up here and click transitions, and then they have all of these you can select from. You can do glitter or clock or origami or whatever. I'm going to do glitter. And so every time you click to go to the next slide, it's going to do that transition on all of them. So you're just going to go, and we clicked on glitter, and then we're going to click on apply to all. So then it'll be for every slide. If you wanted to add timing to your slideshow, you can just go and click on view. Maybe not view. Slideshow, and then you're going to do the record show times, but that's a little bit more advanced. You're not going to really be using record slides and all of that. And so you can add different designs. If you wanted to add word art, and that's going to be something other than what is provided in this little drop down, you can go to insert, and then you do word art, and then you can click on whatever one that you want. We can do this one. And we're just gonna move it up here. We're gonna select and highlight the text and just do this, and then you can make it bigger. Or change the color. And then you can center it or whatever. And then like if you wanted to change the outline of the actual letters, you can change it here. Like that. And so after you finished making your slide or just filling up, you know, all of these slides, then you're just going to want to go and review what your slide show looks like. And so you're going to go over here and click in the left corner and click on this button, and we're going to review the slide. So you see the transitions that we made, and then you see the title, and then you're just going to click and it'll go to the next slide, and then you'll see the picture that we inserted and the word art and the different outline colors like that. And so my slide was only 2 slides long, but normally if I have like a long slide, I'll make sure that I click the save button while I'm doing my work so I don't lose it, or if my computer decides it wants to do something funny, I'll just already have it saved. And so you can do that. But that is about it, and that's all I have for you all. I hope this was informative on how to make just a basic PowerPoint presentation.